Yes, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are right. My people, so me get some information right here. This is like breaking news, is it? So I got information that Jamaica most wanted fugitive, who goes by the last name of Shah, otherwise called Boxer, and another man were fatally shot by law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica today. That's the 8th of October, the year 2022. Yes, so according to information that I got, it is said that those two persons died during an armed confrontation earlier this afternoon, the 8th of October, the year 2022, at a guest house at Sandringham Avenue, St. Andrew, Jamaica. Now, some people might say Kingston, Jamaica as well, you know. Yes, I may say, but if you really and truly look at the map and the borders of the parishes and so forth, yes, me just can't say it certain ways. You understand? Yeah, but the information I get is that the incident happened at a guest house on Sandringham Avenue, St. Andrew, Jamaica. So, my people, before me get this information, you know, I got information that the man who goes by the last name of Shah escaped police custody, viewers and subscribers. See, now me get this information about this armed confrontation, viewers and subscribers. I do some research and I went on a social media page for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, viewers and subscribers, and I saw a post there. Now, I'm going to read from the post to you, my people, because, you know, Jamaica Constabulary Force basically made the post on social media to let people know what going on, in my point of view. You see me I say? So a part of the post says 2 guns have been recovered, no viewers and subscribers. Another part of the post said, since his escape from police lockup on Thursday of this week, Shah has been the subject of intense surveillance and tracking. Investigators identified that Shah was holding up a guest house at Sandringham area in Kingston off Mullines Road, viewers and subscribers. You hear that? So another part of the post said that when the police swooped down on the location, they were greeted by gunfire. In the end, Shah and another man were shot and injured. They were taken to a medical facility where they were pronounced dead. 145 pistol and a 9mm pistol were seized. One woman who was in their company was arrested and is in police custody. Yes, so those are words from the Jamaica Constabulary Force post that have been made on social media, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, may I tell you, my people, may I tell you, my people, I don't know what go on in the world, I see it? Okay, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Please remember to check out more of my videos, and if you have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.